Hey, what's going on, everyone? In the comment section of my last video, I have been asked how to save all my stuff from the iPhone before losing it. So if the iPhone has been stuck on the Apple logo, like I make the video before with the iPhone 8, so in this iPhone it's not stuck. But what I have to do is maybe you can save all your data before losing it, because you have a chance when you press the low of the home of the volume. If you press that down and you put the cable on it and just have to wait. So yes, it comes like this. When it comes like this, you get the chance to update the iPhone, because when you update the iPhone, you maybe uh, will not lose any data. So it happens even with this iPhone. So I'm maybe I can help you out with this video. So if this video helped you out, please subscribe to this channel and help me out, because thanks for 300 subscribers. uh, my goal is now 500, and then let's go after make more. Thanks for watching, and see you to the next video. Please subscribe to this channel. Bye.